If my makeup looks like shit, it's because it is really all gone now because I took a nap for 6 hours. The intro that you guys are about to see is a temporary one. Bear with me. I fucking accidentally deleted my intro, which I mean wasn't that intricate and crazy or complicated at all, but it was cute, you know? And I can definitely make it again, but I just saw the animated one. I sound like a 4-year-old and I can't say no to an animated clip. I don't know why I speak on things no one cares about. So that's temporary. Bear with me. I am literally paying someone to make me a way cooler intro. So
big booty.
Tired. I'm just so tired. That's all. That's the fucking intro. I'm just tired. I feel like when you open it, it should be like jaggy 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 jaggy. And this can get down on me her. It's just so. We're gonna get started. I'll be right back. Look, I just did it a little bit questionable, and that's okay. It'll come together once I put the lashes on. This is what I have right now. I just really love these colors, and I mean, Sponsored made me think of money, and then there's a shade literally called Dwellas, so I had to do it. I'm just gonna quickly do the other eye, and then you'll see it'll come together with my lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with Sponsored just because I want to blend it out with credit after. Okay, I gotta hurry up because it's now 6:18 and I'm supposed to leave like, I mean I can leave like around 7, I can leave like in an hour, it's alright. Both of my eyes are literally so different when doing a wing. Cool. Like hella concealer in my hair. I know. Am I still recording? Yeah. The gold will honestly cover a lot if your wing isn't perfect, so I'm not really stressing a lot. Alright, well, if it looks fucked up, it's because it is, so. Like I said, a look that you just have to wait for. We have to be patient with this look. It will come together in the end. I can't stop staring at how uneven my nose is. I don't know where my beauty blender is again. Oh my god. I don't deserve this. Oh, look. I am sorry I use the same products in every single video, but I just don't got it like that yet. But I do need new products, honestly. I am gonna go shopping soon. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like one day I feel darker and the other days I feel lighter. And today I'm just feeling light, you know, like super fun. Like she woke up skinny. She's feeling super light, so. I mean, maybe. You think that's me? I think every single time I wear this, I think it's too dark. But then later on in the day, I look pale, so. I don't really know how I feel. Let's see what Giorgio Armani's about. Oh, really? Really? You want to start dying now? Okay. Let me hope that my other battery pack is charged. 1 second. What time is it? Okay, it's 6:41. We're okay. We're like, yay. I'm going into work right after this. I hate when shadow gets on my like lashes and then I can't get it off. I didn't cream contour again. Oh my god. Okay, for real, I need to like get it together. What? Lower lash line, lower lash line, lower lash line. What are we gonna do here, people? Let's think. Spread it really close to the lower lash line. This was the wrong brush to use. Think about. I don't even know what to. I don't even. We have to act fast. We have to act fast. I don't even know what to do right now. Okay. It's fine, people. It's fine. What we're gonna do is sprinkle a little bit of translucent powder on this. Okay, we're gonna let her simmer. We're gonna let her sit. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of hoping this works. I'm just gonna carry on like everything's fine. So I made the lower lash line a little bit thicker because I think I'm starting to get wrinkles. I'm turning 22 next month. I'm getting mold. I'm gonna go in with Sponsored and run that all along that. Now I wanna kind of do gold in the very inner corner. Okay, it's 6:56. I really should leave at 7. Okay, I can't leave. 7:10. I can't leave later than 7:10. Okay, this is it. Maybe I'll do an outro at the end of the day because I'm in a rush now. Also, I just noticed that my shirt matches my makeup and I'm about to go change before I leave. That's not the goal. I just did Kristen on my lips because I felt like it would be okay. I don't know. But I've got to go now, and if I don't do another outro at the end of the day, sorry. But I think I'll be able to. I don't know. I'm sweating after that. Oh my god. The fuck? Bitch.